Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I transformed a gent's large size shirt into a cute lady's top without a sewing machine. Yes, without a sewing machine. First, I took my uh, t-shirt of mine which I used for making a cutout in a newspaper. I drew the outline of the t-shirt and then I placed that paper on the gent's shirt and drew the outline. That's my size. It's a very old shirt. You can see the collars are all frayed, so it needed some upcycling. Now I'm cutting off the sleeves and the unwanted part, that is a collar. Okay, now the collar has been removed, but I need to make a V neck for the lady's top. So I'm folding the front part, till the required length. I'm folding it slightly into a V shape. And then I'm going to place another piece of cloth which I cut out from the sleeves, which I removed earlier. I'm placing it over the shirt and I'll stitch. Similarly, on the other side also, I folded the shirt and then placed the cloth and stitched. So that now after it's stitched, it looks neat, a V-shaped neck. Now I'm going to stitch the shoulder portion, for which I have to turn the shirt inside out, and I stitched the top part. Now I measured the length on each side of the neck, and it was exactly 13 centimeters. Now to make it look attractive, I'm painting some flowers using my earbuds. Very easy. The petals come out perfectly. And the buttons also I painted it golden. The buttons which were already on the shirt, so I gave it a golden color, as you can see. And along the neck, the V neck also, I painted a little bit of gold. See how nice it looks now. Perfect lady's top. Nobody will believe it was a gent's shirt. Similarly, I also made another top out of this green shirt. Another cute top. Hope this video is useful. Bye.